How to place order on Shein. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Shein application. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Shein account. Now your shop section appears. From here you can easily select the item of your choice to purchase. At the top you can see the search bar. You can just type in the product name and you will get lots of options, and from there you can easily select it. Here I'm gonna search for crop tops. Here I'm gonna select this one item. After you select the item, you can just select the size and then tap on add to bag given at the bottom. Now at the top right corner you can find this bag kind of icon. Tap on it. Over here you will get the selected items. Now what you need to do is tap on checkout given at the bottom right. At the top you will find this option of shipping address. You have to fill up this information of your shipping address, and after you do that you have to go through this other options, that is payment method. You have to select your payment method, that is through credit or debit card or PayPal account. Also, in the case you want to apply for a coupon, you can do that. After you fill up all of these informations, and now you can just tap on place order and purchase from Shein. This is how you place order on your Shein account. I hope now you guys are clear about it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.